We booked a dive trip for 6 days at Thalassa dive resorts in North Sulawesi, Indonesia. We spent 2 days diving in Manado and then 2 days diving in Lembeh. Our dive group is a good mix of divers, a dive instructor, rescue divers, and experienced advanced open water divers. I consider myself a beginner advanced open water diver, and Shanks is a rescue diver. We had the pleasure of diving with incredible guides and crew and being well taken care of by the resort staff. Anyway, here's our 6 days in Manado and Lembeh. Today is 3rd June. It's the second day of our dive trip. We will most likely be going to 3 dive sites just like yesterday. There were so many turtles. It's crazy. I loved it. They saw flounders, but I didn't see them. I don't have very good eyesight. And my buoyancy, I don't know what to say. I mean, I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. Yesterday when I was descending during the last dive, and then for some reason I was like going sideways, and then I tried to stop myself, then I went forward and then like rolled around like a freaking ball. Kept on. our last night. Where are we going tomorrow?
We're going to Lembeh tomorrow.
What can we expect in Lembeh?
We did have a slight glimpse of what we can expect Lembeh. That was yesterday our last dive, which was like sand, deep bottom, and a little flicker, and then it would just cloud the whole visibility. And we see a lot of critters, right, like the shrimps and the crabs and whatnot. So we can expect to see all that in Lembeh.
Yeah.
I'm hoping to see some frogfish. I've never seen a frogfish, so really excited to see some frogfish and all that.
That's it.
Yep.
See you in Lembeh.
Lembeh.
This is only my second time going for a night dive. I thought I would challenge myself, and hearing about the mating ritual of mandarin fishes piqued my interest. I was generally more calm this time, but I still felt a bit uneasy because we were so close to a stonefish. I couldn't focus much on the mandarin fishes, and because of that, I didn't capture the most important part of their little dance. It's our last day in Lembeh. Actually, our last day of diving before we go back home. It is Friday, so today we'll only have 2 dives, so that we'll have enough time to rest before our flight. Lembeh has been, I think, challenging for me just because I'm still working on my buoyancy and it's a lot of muck diving. It trains me to be alert on how I swim, how I use my fins. Yeah. And also in terms of finding and identifying marine animals, it's like half of the time or most of the time I don't know what I'm looking at. Except for seahorses. and stonefish. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah, last 2 dives. I hope everything goes well.
And CE.
Yep.
What shall we do?
Sini sayang, my darling.
What did you appreciate about our trip?
I think I really appreciate the Thalassa service. The dive guides are really helpful, in explaining and all that. They do their very best to, keep us comfortable. Every staff, every crew member did their part and all that. And they're accommodating to bring us over to Lembeh. Wow, they're really nice. I really like the staff. Yeah, I'll go back there. Give
They're
the
so
staff.
patient too.
They're patient and they're very understanding and yeah.
And the staff made it very memorable because they were so accommodating
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, patient. The dive sites?
The deserts are beautiful. Manado's a lot of wall dives. We can
Yeah.
see a lot of big stuff. So Eagle Ray is like, wow, that's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
It's so nice.
They're like,
And then they just roll away.
I know, they were too far away.
Yeah. There was a slight current, but we just follow the current.
Yeah,
Right?
that was nice.
Yeah, I saw you were so free, really enjoying it.
Yeah. And Lembeh?
I personally enjoyed it. They went in. At first, I got quite a bit like, can say a bit like culture shock in a way. Like, oh, okay. I just like the whole part of where you go look for things. I understand. Like for you, when I saw it, I was like, okay, I think you're. Doing it.
I was like,
Where are the corals? Where are the reef?
it's not that I didn't enjoy it. It's just that I don't know what to look for.
Mm.
I just used it I just used it to practice my buoyancy and everything.
Yeah, I got to see like a lot of mantis shrimp in Lembeh. Got to see octopus on the last dive.
Yeah.
Remember?
Mm-hmm. It was hiding.
Yeah.
What's next? Where do you want to dive next?
I am also thinking should go somewhere in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And maybe Malapascua.
Yeah. Malapascua. Get to see the treasure sharks.
Yep.
I want to see them. And okay, fine. I also want to try Singapore diving.
Oh yes, you should. It really builds up your confidence.
That's it, Pansit.
That's it, Pansit.
Do you have any questions?
Thank you, Pansit.
What?
Thank you, Pansit.